interesting question because obviously going into it, it's a competition at the end of the day. So you would think you'd have some form of strategy. That just went completely out of the window for me because going in, it's actually so much tougher than what you see on television. The tasks are really hard. You are genuinely so exhausted.
Some big personalities as well, vying for...
100% because...
So, we've been disturbed by...
Oh, it's gone off, thank goodness.
An alarm, which may mean that we have to slow things down for a moment. I'm so sorry, everyone. We'll see. For the time being, we're going to have to leave the studios. So we'll see if we can come back before the end of the show and talk about cake.
Thank you. Enjoy whatever you're doing for the rest of the day. I think we are going to have to go. Harpreet, I'm so sorry.
No, don't worry.
That's terrible. When you brought your cakes.
Attention. Attention. Please evacuate the building by
It's worth saying.
So sorry.
Do not use the lift.
We think we've gone off air. We don't know. If you're watching, thank you for watching. Goodbye. This is where we say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Attention.
Power, drama, family. This is 2 continues tomorrow at 8 o'clock on BBC One and iPlayer.
We are England. We are Wales. We are Scotland.
We are Ireland.
And we are together. We are rugby. We are Six Nations. Scotland versus England, live today at 11:30 on BBC Two and iPlayer.
BBC One. Well, defining the BBC's role involves answering the central question, what is public service broadcasting?
Boring!
Let me rephrase that.
The BBC
has something for everyone.
everyone.
So the question is,
What do you want?
how about
A full throttle tango.
Or
A high-ranking corrupt police officer with a soft centre.
what about banger after
Banger.
But there's more to it than that.
the BBC is
A unique experiment. There's no angle, there's
No sponsors.
Interfering with play.
It's a bridge.
between us.
A common ground between us.
It's a reflection.
Of who we are. But here's the thing.
The BBC
Doesn't have to be here.
It only exists
If we really believe
It matters.
The BBC.
There's something that belongs to all of us.
every one of us.
Every one of us.
Asian honeys, know you repping for your country. Sun kissing your brown skin, looking like money.
Start your day different with music beyond the mainstream. The Six Music Breakfast with Lauren Laverne. Listen on BBC Sounds.
Britain's always been a creative place. You have new generations full of passion, new ways of exploring life.
Change is just coming like an avalanche.
From across our isle, an epic story of creativity. Art that made us. Starts Thursday, 7th of April on BBC Two and iPlayer.
Welcome to Saturday morning on BBC One. At 11:30, join Marcus Waring as he learns secrets and tells from a kitchen garden and shares with us all. First, we're stepping into the kitchen live.
Good morning. We filled the studio with some of our favourite people for a feast of food and fun. And Hells is no longer in the telly, she's on the active telly. this lot, anything can happen. This is Saturday Kitchen Live.